What's up, guys? Today we're going to do a review and install of these Auxito headlights. One of the representatives of the company hit me up and asked if I want to do a review on one of their products, and of course I took the opportunity, and I'm very grateful and blessed to have the opportunity. And at the end of the video I got something for you guys as well. So these are for the GS-R Integra. I'm going to pull that in the garage now. Alright, let's open it up. Oh, that's fancy. They give you gloves and everything. Replacement, or is it replacement or extra O-rings? Some zip ties to keep the wires out of the way. Yeah, these are what they look like. You got a built-in little ballast or something. Oh, that's cool. You got a little fan and everything on the back. And here's all the details on this specific bulb. They have several different options for high and low beam, and these are the high beam ones. Also, this is pretty cool. I didn't even know about this, but they have a 24-month, which is 2-year warranty on their product, so that's really cool as well. So let's pop the hood on the old Integra. So these headlights are plug and play, very simple, and driver's side on the Integra is very easy to get to. All you gotta do is grab that, twist it out. Passenger side, you gotta remove the coolant reservoir, which is that easy. And we'll do this side first because start with the more difficult side. Just turn the bulb out, and this has got the standard just OEM headlights. All you gotta do is unclip it. And here's a side-by-side comparison of the bulbs. They're not any bigger than the factory ones. They sit the same amount of distance away from the back of the headlight, so that's also nice. They're not bulky in your engine bay or anything. Also, I'm gonna fix this wire real quick because I just noticed this and I wanna make it right. Yeah, that's what was under the electrical tape. They just tied the wires together, so it looks like they did the same thing on this side. I'm wondering if they used to have fog lights or something tied into it, but I'm gonna fix that quick off camera and then get back to the install. Alright, fix the wiring. Now I'm gonna install these. So you got your light here with the harness, and it just plugs right into your factory harness. Just like that. And then this will twist in just like the factory bulb as well. Twist right in. So I'm just going to give it a quick comparison right here in the light. Got the Auxito high beam on that side, factory one on that side. Yeah, that is very bright. Just looking at it right here. And it's like a clear white. It doesn't have that hideous blue tint to it like a lot of LEDs or halogen bulbs have. This is like pure white, so that's really good because blue light actually is deceptive to the human eye, and so you really want white or yellow if you're in fog or snow conditions, so that's pretty awesome. So now let's do the driver's side. So this is going to be the exact same process, except you don't have to remove the coolant reservoir on this side, so it's even easier. And that bulb looks shot. So I've never seen that before. And then take your Auxito bulb. Once again, plug it into the factory harness, just like that, and twist it in just like the factory bulb. It's that easy. And then you can zip tie this little ballast thing out of the way, zip tie the wires wherever you desire with the provided zip ties that they give you in the kit. But I'm not going to do that yet, actually. I am going to throw the stock bulbs back in, and then once it gets dark out, I'm going to go to a park where there's no like street lighting or anything and swap the Auxito headlights back in, just so you can see a side-by-side comparison of how much brighter they are than the factory bulbs. Alright, it is now pretty dark out, so I'm going to go down to the park and compare the headlights. Alright, here we are at the park. It's not pitch black out, but it is dark enough to be able to see the difference in the headlights. I just don't want to stay up till midnight because it takes a while to get dark out here in Montana during the summer. So I'm just going to set my tripod up on the roof and then swap the bulbs. That way the camera doesn't move during the whole process and you can see a side-by-side comparison. I'll put pictures in here as well. That is so bright compared to the factory bulbs. The camera probably doesn't do it any justice, but this is like literally night and day difference. It is awesome. But that is very good, especially for night driving, when you live out in the country like I do, so you can see deer. Hey, that is amazing. And it's a pure white light, so it doesn't give you that blue tint like a lot of LEDs and HIDs will give you with their really bright beams, because that actually messes with the human eye, like I said before. So this is crisp and you can see colors, you can see what the objects actually are in front of you. So this is very nice. And this is from in the car. Don't mind my dirty windshield, but these are the stock low beams and these are the Auxito high beams. Huge difference. I mean, you can see the pole down there, you can see the end of the curve, and camera probably doesn't do it justice, like I said, but this is awesome. Alright guys, we're back at the garage, and like I said at the beginning of the video, I got something for you guys as well. Auxito was cool enough to hook me up, or hook you guys up with a discount code. So if you want to try any of their LEDs, like they got turn signals, brake lights, reverse lights, headlights, they got like, I don't know, a lot of stuff for multiple different cars. If you go order from their website, you can type in Conjo Space Brothers, so Conjo Brothers, just like the YouTube channel, and you will get 15% off. And I will put the link down below for the website as well as the discount code. But anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up because it is getting late and I got to work in the morning. So if you like the video or if it helped you out in deciding kind of an LED to go with, I appreciate a like. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date with the builds and the projects. And follow my Instagram, Conjo_brothers, if you want to see more pictures, and I kind of update you throughout the week as well. So yeah, and once again, thanks again to Auxito for this opportunity, and thanks for watching.